Yeah, hi, hello, welcome to the Trailhead Solutions YouTube channel. If you are yet to subscribe my channel, please do subscribe. Your one subscription is a lot to me. So please let me know in the comment box if you want to cover any trailheads in in this channel. So today we are going to complete the trial of implement data 360 for Agentforce. This is under Agentblazer Legend Trailhead. So today we are going to understand the data requirements. So before we are building any data 360 in our ARC or project, we need to know about the data project data requirements. So it will helpful to us so to review the data preparation steps and the questions to consider. So these are the some data preparation steps and questions to consider. The data preference steps are identify what data is needed for your use case and define the types of data. So that type, so do you need CRM data records such as leads or cases? Do we need unstructured or structured data or do we need any upload files data? So these are the some data preparation steps and the questions to consider when we are building the project. So while you are going through the trial, so keep follow all these steps and configure data 360 for agents. So that NTO org wants to build an agent that responds to questions about the product issues. So the NTO plan to ground its prompts with the advanced data 360 RAG. Following steps along with the PI. So NTO's enterprise architecture architect as SC configures data 360 and builds an agent. Starting with the data preparation, here the initial step C has taken to implement this requirement. So C enable and provision data 360 in a R and C set up data 360 users and finds data about customer cases and identified its sources. In Service Cloud, so NTO stores customer case data. Here are some examples, different customers, okay? Case 1, case 2, case 3. Now it's time to create a data stream that ingests the case data from Service Cloud into Data 360. Case data is stored in the case data lake object, that is DLO. So Pi uses a batch data transform to resolve data issues such as inconsistent names and format. Transform data in stored in the cleaned case DLO. Then she added mapping between the clean case DLO and case data model. And the next step is now it's time to create and run identity resolution rule set to link the case with the customer's unified profile. So now Pi knows more context about each case. For example, Pi sees that case one about pants. So these are the some cases, right? So she followed all this. She is going to check this. With the data ingest transformed and unified, Pi is ready to set up RAG. So she create a search index from the case DMO and search index for the unified individual DMOs. So the indexes will be used to power RAG in their agent. Data 360 automatically creates a retriever for each index, which serves as the bridge between search indexes and the prompt template. Optionally, Pi could create innumerable retrievers. Now Pi creates a prompt template that calls the ensemble, ensemble retriever for both individual retrievers. So the retriever populates the prompt with the most relevant information. So it's time to use prompt template in an agent. So they create a new agent from Agentforce service agent template, creates a permission set that includes access to prompt builder, the case DMO and the unified individual DMOs. Creates an agent action named answer, add a topic to the agent user, add the answer question with the case to the topic, and activate and test the agent. So this is some prompt which they given to the Agentforce. And this is the completed with that thing. So we are going to check the quiz. The first question is based on the N2 example, which of the following is correct order of preparational steps? So the correct answer is here. The correct answer is so use a batch transform, create a data stream, and then and then run identity resolution rule set. Sorry. And the next question is after preparing data, what is the sorry. Here the answer is create a data stream, use a batch transfer, and then run identity resolution. Second question is after preparing data, what is the correct sequence of steps for creating an agent build and unified transform data for 360? And the correct answer is we need to create search index, prompt template, and this one. Let's check the quiz. Yeah, we have successfully completed this challenge also. We'll meet in another video. So please do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.